Step 9 for Dummies. Made direct amends to such people wherever possible, except when to do so would injure them or others. What Step 9 really means. Step 9 is basically saying, I'm going to clean up my mess directly, unless it would hurt someone. This is where you actually follow through on the list you made in Step 8. Break down in the simplest terms. 1. Made direct amends. Direct equals face-to-face, phone call, letter, or another honest approach. It's not about vague apologies. It's about owning your actions and making things right. Examples of amends: apologizing sincerely, paying back money, returning what was taken, correcting lies, showing changed behavior. 2. Wherever possible, you do it when it's realistic and safe. Some people may not be reachable. Some situations may not allow direct amends. The point is, do what you can, not what's impossible. 3. Except when to do so would injure them or others. This is the safety clause. You don't make amends if it would reopen old wounds unnecessarily, cause harm to someone else, put you or them in danger, create more damage than healing. Sometimes the best amend is living differently instead of speaking directly. Step 9 in one sentence. I'm making things right with the people I hurt, unless doing so would cause more harm. Why Step 9 matters? Because guilt and broken relationships weigh you down. Making amends restores trust, builds self-respect, frees you from shame, repairs connections, shows real change through action. It's the step where recovery becomes visible to others. Step 9, quick checklist. I have my Step 8 list ready. I'm willing to make amends directly. I'll avoid causing harm in the process. I understand amends can be words and actions. I'm ready to show change, not just say it. Step 9 isn't about erasing the past. It's about changing the future.